Hey guys, press the bell icon to never miss a video from WedMeGood.
Hi, this is Dolly Jain. Some of you know who I am, what I do, but for all the others, I'm a drape artist, and yes, I hold a world record for draping a sari in 325 styles and being the fastest draper in the world to drape a sari in 18.5 seconds. Yes, you heard me right. So yeah, I've collaborated with WedMeGood, and today I'm here in Delhi at this beautiful store, Kayra, and we are doing 3 different drapes for you on the bride's sister, bride's mother, and the lovely bride herself. So are you waiting? So let's get started. That I did was on the bride's sister. It's very girly, it's very feminine, and it's like, this drape is known as the fusion drape because I've done a blouse, a sarara, and instead of a dupatta I've used a sari. It's very, very interesting. I think you all should try this drape and then leave a feedback. So the second drape that I gave is on the bride's mother. And now we know that the bride's mother has so many other things to take care. So instead of leaving the palla behind, I've draped it in a way which comes on her waist, you know, shaping her in a way which makes her look sexy, but not showing her skin from anywhere. I mean, this drape can be even worn for all the Sangeet functions where you want all your moves to be visible but not your skin. So I think you should try this drape. This drape is known as the mermaid style of draping, and just click a picture and post it to us. Finally comes the bride. What's special for the bride? I mean, I've given her a bandhani sari. As you know, we've seen a lot of people during the weddings or the sangeet or the mehndi functions, they wear bandhani. But why should a bride wear a bandhani in a regular way? So that adds the whole drama. I mean, the bride with a lehenga, a beautiful blouse, with a lot of jewelry and a beautiful sari on top of it. I think you all should try, share it with your friends. So because, you know, 21st century, the bride doesn't want to do what she's been seeing or what her parents have been doing. She wants to do something different. And I think this is the different thing that you should try.